The cubs are likely hidden in the undergrowth nearby.
She's soft-calling for the cubs now. Oh, I think I can see something. Oh my goodness. 3 cubbies. Oh, this is just so special. Oh, they're still so squatty. Look at that feisty little one. They've missed their mum.
2 females and a male, about 8 weeks old. Like all cubs, they have spots that will fade as they grow. It's likely that Rose has been away from her cubs for a few hours to hunt.
Oh, they're just giving their mum a love.